Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps more than a folding chair in a WWE match. What happens when a wrestling legend trades body slams for box office gold? John Cena Hollywood takeover is speeding up, and his latest move might just be his biggest yet. Um, Picture this: Cena and Kevin Hart teaming up for a Netflix action comedy called The Leading Man. And this, uh, it's like mixing muscle with mischief. And if their past hits are any clue, expect fireworks. The film's plot: um, a self-obsessed movie star learns his sidekick Hart is a real spy, um, and suddenly Hollywood egos collide with global espionage. Peanut butter and jelly, more like grenades and one-liners. Cena's no stranger to comedy. Remember Daddy's Home too. Hart's the king of laughs. Together, they could outshine even Dwayne Johnson's best bromances. Spoiler, this might be Cena's ultimate career pivot, and wrestling's loss is Hollywood's gain. By 2026, Cena's starring in 3 films, including Mattel's Matchbox and the wacky Coyote versus series Acme. So I guess the only thing he's dropping now is release dates. Why so serious? Cena once body slammed giant salaries into Hollywood paychecks. Now, if only he'd slam a script onto Hart's desk, preferably one titled Tag Team the Movie. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, well, these all want to know, what do you think about how often? What are they gaming?